This city feels like it came straight out of a painting. Canals older than Amsterdam's, churches with centuries of stories, and pottery painted only in blue and white. And yet, right behind me is this modern blue building near the station that looks like it belongs to the future. Let's walk through this city. Walking here feels different, quieter, calmer, more intimate. The reflections, the bridges, the gentle ripple of water make the whole city feels like it's asking you to slow down. Delft's canal may not be as big as Amsterdam's, but some of them are amongst the oldest in the Netherlands. Delft's streets are lined with old houses, many now buzzing with student life. This is a university city, full of young energy. Old bridges, old buildings, old lanes are wonderful to watch. This is one of the oldest buildings in Delft, almost from the end of 15th century. First for homeless people, then it was used as an orphanage. Much further, it was used as a carpenter workshop, and currently it houses a restaurant. Oostpoort, the last medieval gate, looks like the entrance to a fairy tale. The Stadhuis, or Town Hall, is the centerpiece of the square. The new church holds royal tombs. The Vermeer Central reminds us of the great painter of Girl with a Pearl Earring. The old church leans slightly to one side. Museum Prinsenhof tells stories of Dutch history, where William from Orange was assassinated. And then there's Delft's most famous treasure, Delft Blue pottery. For centuries, these delicate blue and white designs have been painted by hand, traveling across the world as a symbol of Dutch art. Every piece telling a story, every design connecting past and present. So that was Delft, a small city with a big history, where every street feels like a story waiting to be told. Do you already know about this place? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That helps a lot. See you in the next one.